Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a skill that is, let's be honest, becoming totally essential: how to actually talk to an AI. We're going to show you how to stop getting those boring, generic answers and start getting some truly brilliant results.
Okay, so we've all been here, right? You ask the AI something super simple, like write about dogs. And what do you get back? Basically a dictionary definition. I mean, yeah, it's correct, but it's so flat, so uninspired. It's not really useful, is it? This is that classic problem. Vague question in, vague answer out.
Sound familiar? I bet it does. It's that frustrating feeling when you know the AI can do amazing things, but you just can't seem to unlock it. It's like you're speaking two completely different languages. But here's the secret, and honestly, it's a total game changer. The key to getting better results isn't about waiting for some new, smarter AI to come along. Nope, it's all about us giving smarter instructions. You are in the driver's seat here. So, this whole skill actually has a name. It's called prompt engineering. But look, don't let that techie-sounding term scare you off. The best way to think about it is like this. You're a film director, and the AI? Well, the AI is your incredibly talented actor. It can do almost anything, but it's waiting for your direction to give that award-winning performance. Okay, so how do we make that leap? How do we go from just kind of asking the AI for things to really directing it? Well, in this first part, we're going to build a powerful prompt right from scratch. Let's go back to our dog example. Look at the difference. Write about dogs is, well, it's barely a suggestion. But the good prompt, that's a full-on set of directions. It specifies the word count, the exact topic, what to focus on, and even the tone. Keep it friendly, make it accessible. Now the AI knows exactly what scene you want it to perform. And that brings us to our very first and probably most important guideline. You have to be specific and clear. The thing is, an AI just doesn't have human intuition. It doesn't get context like we do. So you have to provide all those juicy details. Every single time you write a prompt, get in the habit of thinking, what's the topic, the focus, the length, and the tone? Okay, this next one is so simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Start your prompts with a strong action verb. You're telling the AI what to do, so don't just say email, say write a professional email. Don't just say meeting notes, say summarize the key points. Words like analyze, compare, create. These are direct commands that tell your actor exactly what action you want them to take. And that leads us to a huge one: examples. Seriously, examples are the most powerful way to show the AI what you want. If you need it to write in a certain style, give it a sample paragraph. If you need data in a specific format, show it what that format looks like. It's like the ultimate shortcut for getting exactly what's in your head into the AI's output. All right, so we've got the basics down. You're already miles ahead of most people. Now, let's level up and explore some more advanced techniques that are going to give you pro-level control over what the AI gives you back.
A fantastic way to make sure you're being super clear is to give your prompt some structure. Just using a simple template like this one, task, context, format, forces you to think through all the important parts of your request. It organizes your own thoughts, and it gives the AI a perfectly clear brief to work from. It's a win-win.
This brings up a really critical point. Give instructions, not constraints. Tell the AI what you want, not what you don't want. Look at that avoid example. Saying don't make it too long or too informal, it's just confusing for the AI, and it often backfires. Instead, just be direct and positive. Write a professional email summarizing the key points is crystal clear. It sets the AI up for success right from the start. And hey, remember, you're the director. That means you don't just get to control the words, you control the whole presentation. You can tell the AI exactly how you want the output structured, as a bulleted list, a neat table, or heck, even as working code. Okay, I know, this looks a little technical, but hang with me, don't be intimidated. Using a format like JSON is really just a super specific way of giving the AI a blueprint for its answer. You're literally defining the exact structure you want back, and that is so powerful for getting predictable results every single time. So what the heck is JSON anyway? The easiest way to think about it is just as a super clean, organized way for computers to read data. That's it. It just guarantees that the AI's output is perfectly structured, which makes it a breeze for other programs or even just for you to use that information later. Now this is where things get really efficient. By using placeholders, you can call them variables, you can create a master prompt, basically a template you can use over and over again.
This lets you reuse the same awesome prompt structure for tons of different tasks just by swapping out a few key details. In a way, you're building your very own custom AI tool. All right, for our last section, let's talk about mindset. Because becoming great at this isn't about finding some single magic prompt, like a secret password. It's really a process. It's all about continuous improvement. And here's the most crucial part of that mindset. You have to iterate. You have to tweak and refine. When a prompt gives you an amazing result, don't just forget about it. Save it, document it, and then try little variations to see if you can make it even better. Keep a little library of what works and what doesn't. That's how you turn this from a guess into a real, repeatable skill. Okay, so let's wrap this all up with the key takeaways. Number 1, be the director. That means giving clear, specific instructions. Number 2, provide structure. Use templates, formats, and plenty of examples. And finally, number 3, iterate. The very best prompts are built and refined. They're not just found by accident. So there you have it. You now have the fundamental skills of a great prompt engineer. You know how to go from asking vague questions to directing the AI to create something vivid and genuinely useful. Your talented actor is on stage waiting for instructions. So the only question left is, what are you going to create?